afternoon to all of you. Finally, in new setup. Yes, right now I'm on my brother's shop because my brother has gone to the village. So I thought, let's sit on my brother's shop. So this is my brother's shop. You can see the behind scene. It is quite different from my shop. So I'm gonna just tell you something. As I mentioned you, few of my friends, they have joined English Institute because they want to pursue their communication skills. In the morning, they all were in my shop and they were just trying to just take my advice, basically how to improve the English language. Only I made him understand that if you really want to learn English language, then you have to spend some quality of time with English language. Almost it can take up to 6 to 7 months to learn basic language, and if they really want to speak fluent English, it is gonna take almost a year. Why? Why they have just suddenly decided that they are going to learn English? I tried to just question them. Then they said that English is very important. Then I just counter. Did you realize now that English is very important and you must learn? They said yeah. Basically, they have joined an institute, and do you know what they are talking about? That institute? Yeah, that teacher is just teaching them ta ti ta ta, and they are totally confused. They don't know what to do, what not to do. Then I said to them, let her teach because maybe it has been a month, so you should not be in hurry. As well as you need to practice every day. Learn almost 20 to 30 sentences if you are a new learner. From my point of view, if you are a new learner and you have just started learning English language, so I would give you the advice that just do one thing. Speak in front of the mirror for only 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, because you have just started speaking, because you have no words and you are quite confused. You don't know what to speak, what not to speak. So I would say that learn 10 to 15 vocabularies in the beginning and make them part and parcel of your speaking. Use them and try to read for 5 to 6 minutes. You have to follow this advice for the next 2 months, at least 2 months. If you speak 2 to 3 minutes every day in front of the mirror, do you know in a month you would speak almost 2 months, you will speak 120 minutes, and that is enough for starting the journey of learning English. Do this slowly, increase the time, enhance your vocabularies, and try to just rectify those mistakes. After just recording your video, rewatch your video. Do you know there is a purpose of making this video? Because I really want to be a content creator and I really want to learn the art of speaking in front of the mirror. There are so many times I have realized that I can speak very good in front of myself, but when it comes to speaking in front of the mirror, there's a hesitation. There's a means I'm not getting that confident. But this is my 78 videos and I have learned enough confidence how to be calm in front of the mirror, how to calm in front of the camera as well, and what to speak, what not to speak. It matters a lot. And let's talk about something else, guys. Do you know, guys, a war is going on between India and Pakistan. I have told you in many videos in my previous video, and today I wanna just tell you about the Godi media. They are spreading rumors. If you are an Indian citizen, I would recommend you don't watch their news channel, because for the TRP they are telling whatever they think that it is suitable to get the TRP. They have not confirmed the news that yesterday there was a news that they have killed almost 3 to 4 Rafale F-16 fighter jet of Pakistan. They have taken from America and China jets as well, but they haven't confirmed that whether they have killed it or not. Yeah, they have started attacking on India because they always targeted 12 city of our country, but our air defense S-400 destroy all of the missiles coming from the Pakistan. It is very dense city. It is very serious issue for our country because there are more than 27 airports have been shut down for temporary, and all the schools of colleges are shut down in Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Amritsar, and Punjab, Punjab areas because it is on high alert because they are the state of border areas. It is very close to Pakistan border. So this is the news, and I would say that you should react to Pakistani's missile carefully because they are beggars. How many times I have already told you, but India is a developing country. If you really want to save your country, my person, if you really want to save the environment of the country, you don't want to face any problems in the growth, then you should stop the war. You should act wisely. Yeah, both countries are nuclear power, and there America is not defining that who is it supporting. Yeah, America is the playing the role of hypocrisy. Yeah, America is the hypocrisy. I would say that because in 1971 it was the same America who supported Pakistan to hit back India. That time Rus helped us to defend ourselves, and we helped Pakistan to liberate from Pakistan in 1971. But this is the same America. It is trying to play the role of hypocrisy. It is not condemning Pakistan completely, and they are trying to balance the peace. But India has already issued the notice that it has zero tolerance against the terrorism. So we have to fight back. There is no chance to de-accelerate if they are not ready to de-escalate. So we are not going to de-escalate too. It is just like if you don't scratch my back, I will not scratch yours. So this is the news. It's going on, and in the world, look at fight is going between Russia and Ukraine, and there is Israel and Hamas. I think it is the simple rule of America. Just create the war and sell their weapon to the country. Means just create the environment of fear. So people, every prime minister of the country, they must think that they need to acquire more and more weapon from America because America is the biggest supplier of the weapon in the world. I would say that. So this is the very old strategy of America, but everyone understand that war is not the option to dominate over any country. If you really want to dominate, then dominate yourself economically and financially. Create such invention that people can follow you. They can just depend on you. Just like America, China. China is the second largest country in the world. And recently, I was just hearing the news of BYD. Do you know in the world, Tesla was the number one electrical car who was selling the most car in the world. But now, by surpassing Tesla, BYD has become the number one car in the world who is manufacturing more electrical car in the world. So there was a time Tesla was making fun of the BYD, but now BYD is going rapidly in the world, and they are trying to launch their car in India as well. Let's see what's gonna happen. So situation is very tense between India and Pakistan, and in the end I would say that just be safe. And yesterday I got a reel that in that reel